Okay, so this is the first step in solving the SIF, solving the cube. It's called the cross. What it is, it's like when you have, if you see on the white sticker here, how you see it makes a cross-like pattern, and how it also makes, also matches up with the E layer here, so all the colors are the same. So let me just mix that up really quickly, and I'll show you how I go about doing this. So this is just completely random. I'm not actually memorizing how I do this, so anybody should be able to do this. Okay. One of the first things I do when I'm looking for the cross and trying to place my pieces, first of all, I'm going to locate where my pieces are. So I have one piece there, one piece there, one piece there, and one piece on top. A good simple way to start off is first by looking by what pieces you have on the down layer that are white. So I have one piece there, and there's no other stickers around, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate the down layer like so, so now it matches over there. The next sticker I'm going to place is my orange one, because that's on the U layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate the U layer 180 degrees, and then now that you see it's lined up with the E layer, I'm just going to rotate that piece 180 degrees, so now I have a complete cross. This is where it gets a little bit complex, because right now, like, I have this piece that's attached to the E layer, which makes it, and it belongs over here. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the down layer aside, and I'm going to turn the R layer, because it's facing R, to give it R prime. And what that does, it's because red is always next to green, red is also next to green in that way too. And because I pulled it out of place, I have to remember to put it back. Now I'm left with this one last piece here. Again, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to misalign this piece to place that blue and white edge. So I turn it, bring it down, and bring it down like so. Let me just do another quick one for you. Usually one of the things people recommend is to find a way to get like the edge piece to the top layer and line it up with the center square, and then do a 180 degree turn to place it. Okay, so this is a little bit more of a difficult case, because as you see here, there's no white stickers on the bottom. And you got two on the top, and you got two in the middle layer here. So first thing I'm going to do, it's because I noticed that piece is green is facing up, so I'm going to turn it like so. And then I'm going to do a 180 degree turn to match it with that. I got the white and red edge there, so I'm going to turn it to match that. Then I'm going to turn it like that. This piece belongs up here, so what I'm going to do is, like what I was saying earlier, is just dump it to the top. And now I'm going to turn the up layer to line it with the middle sticker, and I'm going to do a 180 degree turn. And now, by good fortune, now I have the edge lined up, so all I have to do is turn like that, and now I have a complete cross. A lot more scenarios you can do. Let me just do another quick one, completely random. Okay, so I have that piece is already in place, so I don't have to do anything. That piece is wrong, that piece is wrong, and that piece is wrong. So the thing I was saying about relative pieces, how you have red is always opposite green, because remember, the center squares don't ever change places. What I'm going to do for this one here, I'm going to pull it out of the bottom layer. I'm going to turn the red layer. So now, as you see, because it's red and green like that, should be red and green like that. Then I turn it like that, and now I have the complete cross. This one's going to be a little bit challenging, but I decided I'm going to do the blue one first because I have this pattern here. But I'm going to dump it to the top layer like so. Then I'm going to rotate the up layer and that places the cross. And similar to the previous case that I showed you earlier, I'm going to rotate it down like so, which pulls the white piece out of place. Drop the orange piece, and now I have a complete cross. You may have to experiment a little bit to see what works best for you, but those are pretty good guidelines to follow.